Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Easy to follow guide. Adjust your throttle valve cable for optimal performance. Feeling the need for speed but your car's response is a bit sluggish? Adjusting your throttle valve cable might just be the solution you're looking for. This cable, crucial for controlling your vehicle's acceleration, can sometimes become too slack, leading to a noticeable delay in your engine's response time. In this video, we'll walk through the step-by-step process of tightening that throttle valve cable, ensuring your car is as responsive as ever. Not only will you learn how to make these adjustments yourself, saving you a trip to the mechanic, but we'll also dive into the signs that indicate it's time for a tune-up. So, let's get your car back to its optimal performance. Understanding the throttle valve cable. The throttle valve cable plays a crucial role in the proper functioning of your vehicle's transmission system. Understanding how this component works and why it needs to be adjusted correctly can help you maintain optimal performance and prolong the life of your vehicle. Purpose of the throttle valve cable. The throttle valve cable, also known as the TV cable, is responsible for controlling the line pressure inside the transmission. It is connected to the throttle body or carburetor and adjusts the pressure based on the engine's load. By modulating the line pressure, the throttle valve cable ensures smooth shifting and prevents transmission slippage. Components of the throttle valve cable. The throttle valve cable consists of a durable metal cable housed in a protective sheath. It is connected to the throttle linkage on one end and the transmission valve body on the other. The cable is designed to withstand high temperatures and constant movement without stretching or breaking. Importance of proper adjustment. Proper adjustment of the throttle valve cable is essential for maintaining the health of your transmission system. If the cable is too loose, it can cause delayed or harsh shifting, leading to increased wear and tear on internal components. On the other hand, if the cable is too tight, it can result in early upshifts and inadequate line pressure, compromising the transmission's performance. Ensuring that the throttle valve cable is adjusted to the manufacturer's specifications is crucial for optimal transmission function. Regular inspection and adjustment of the cable can prevent costly repairs down the road and keep your vehicle running smoothly. Signs that adjustment is needed. After using your vehicle for a while, you may start noticing certain signs that indicate the throttle valve cable needs adjustment. Let's take a look at some common indicators below. Regular acceleration. One of the key signs that the throttle valve cable may require adjustment is experiencing irregular acceleration. If you notice that your car is not responding smoothly when you press the gas pedal, it could be a signal that the throttle valve cable needs some tweaking. This can manifest as delayed acceleration, hesitation, or jerking motions when trying to pick up speed. Transmission slipping. Transmission slipping is another red flag that could point towards an adjustment needed in the throttle valve cable. You might observe that your vehicle struggles to stay in gear or suddenly shifts gears without warning. This can be concerning and may indicate that the throttle valve cable is not functioning as it should, causing disruptions in the transmission's smooth operation. High engine RPM at idle. If you find that your engine's RPM, revolutions per minute, is unusually high when your car is idle, it could be a sign of throttle valve cable misalignment. The throttle valve cable regulates the air intake into the engine, and if it's not adjusted correctly, it can lead to the engine running at a higher RPM than normal when the vehicle is stationary. This can result in increased fuel consumption and unnecessary strain on the engine. Keep an eye out for these signs as they could be early warnings that your throttle valve cable needs adjustment. Addressing these issues promptly can help maintain the performance and efficiency of your vehicle's throttle system. Tools required for adjustment. When it comes to adjusting the throttle valve cable, having the right tools at hand is essential to ensure a smooth and precise adjustment process. Let's take a look at the tools you'll need for this task. List of tools. 1. Adjustable wrench. To loosen and tighten nuts and bolts with ease, an adjustable wrench is a must-have tool for adjusting the throttle valve cable. 2. Socket set. Having a socket set with various sizes will help you access and adjust different components of the throttle valve mechanism efficiently. 3. Screwdriver set. A set of screwdrivers, including both flathead and Phillips head screwdrivers, will assist in making precise adjustments to the throttle valve cable. 4. Pliers. Pliers come in handy for gripping and maneuvering small components during the adjustment process. 5. Safety glasses and gloves. It's crucial to prioritize safety when working on your vehicle, so make sure to wear safety glasses and gloves to protect your hands and eyes. 6. Flashlight. A flashlight will help you illuminate hard-to-reach areas in the engine compartment for a better view while adjusting the throttle valve cable. 7. Shop rags. Keeping shop rags nearby will help you clean any grease or dirt that may accumulate during the adjustment process, ensuring a tidy workspace. Having these essential tools ready before you start adjusting the throttle valve cable will make the process more manageable and efficient, allowing you to achieve the desired results effectively. And with that, we wrap up part 1 of our throttle valve cable adjustment guide. But fear not, gearheads! Part 2 is on its way, packed with even more tips and tricks to fine-tune your vehicle like a pro. Stay tuned for the next installment, and until then, keep those engines roaring. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.